Give your license plates a sense of style and keep them secured with WeatherTech's selection of license plate frames. Let's take a closer look. PlateFrame, ClearFrame, and ClearCover are all proudly engineered and manufactured in America to keep your plates secured with durable quality materials. WeatherTech's PlateFrame is available in black, while our ClearFrame and ClearCover are available in a variety of colors so you can find the best fit for your vehicle. All three of these frames are made with virtually indestructible materials to ensure these covers are resistant to weathering and daily wear and tear. Each one of our license plate frames also include a multi-flex gasket that will keep your plates away from the body of your vehicle to protect your paint job. Our ClearCover also features a clear polycarbonate lens that helps seal out moisture and dirt while preventing UV rays from damaging your plates. Give your plates the protection they need in the style you want with WeatherTech's selection of license plate frames.